Good morning, student. Yesterday we saw the importance of Himalayas and life in the Himalayas. Now we are going to continue this lesson with the northern plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land. Such areas of land are usually fertile and have a climate suitable for agriculture. It means plains are very useful, or we can say profitable for the population. They are suitable for large scale farming. Yes, we can do that. It is easy to construct buildings on plains. Most industries develop along the banks of rivers because of easy availability of water. You know, children, this thing that food, water, air, shelter, these are the important things for the human beings or for the living things. So if water is available, then it is natural that near that water, that area should be well populated. People prefer to settle down in plains because of these reasons. Yes, because water is available, food is available, and on plains we can construct the buildings. It means shelters also available for human beings. So these are the reasons why the people are ready to settle down in the plain areas. As a result, all these plains are generally well populated and grow into cities. Now, the northern or Indo-Gangetic plains are amongst the largest and most fertile plains in the world. Which one? The northern or Indo-Gangetic plains are the most fertile plain in the world. They are located to the south of the Himalayan range. They cover the greater part of North India and are hence known as the northern plains. Why it is known as northern plains? Because they cover the greater part of North India. These plains extend 3,200 km across east to west and are 150 to 300 km wide, spanning from Punjab in the west to parts of Assam in the east, covering states like Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Throughout their expanse, they remain a broad, flat and level region. If possible, children, please see the map of northern plains of India. Please search it on internet. Now these plains are extremely fertile because of two reasons. Why these plains are fertile? We'll see that reason. One is they are very well drained due to the perennial rivers originating in the Himalayas. What is meant by perennial rivers? Yes, most of the time they have water, long lasting, flowing through them. And second, another reason is the rivers bring along with them pieces of rock, sand and silt. The finer silt, when deposited by the rivers, forms a highly fertile alluvium. Which is, alluvium means it is the area or the part of a land which is very fertile for farming or agriculture. The fertile plains make agriculture profitable. There are three large river basins that form the northern plains. What is meant by basin? See here. Basins are large low-lying area watered by a river and its tributaries. Just like Basins means large low-lying area watered by a river and its tributaries. The first one is Ganga Basin in the center. Second one, Cetology Basin in the west. And third, the Brahmaputra Basin in the east. These rivers cover a large area and form a network throughout the plains. Now first we will see the deep information about Ganga Basin. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. It flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Yamuna is its main tributary. River Ganga meets River Yamuna at Allahabad. The meeting point is known as Sangam. It means when the two rivers are meeting to each other, this point is known as Sangam. Rainfall is received during monsoon, and eastern part of the plain receives more rain than the western part. Along with the river Brahmaputra, the Ganga forms the world's largest delta known as Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. After this, the river splits into many small rivers before entering the Bay of Bengal. At its mouth lies the dense Sundarban forest, which is the natural habitat of the famous Royal Bengal tiger. Now here, what is meant by delta region? See, this is the delta region. A river and its delta, just like a triangular shape. It is very famous because as its mouth lies dense Sundarban forest, which is the natural habitat of the famous Royal Bengal tiger. The Ganga Basin produces more food than any other part of the country. Healthy yields of rice, wheat, jute and sugar cane are produced here. Fishing, navigation, hydroelectricity generation and industries like cotton, textile and sugar mills are supported by the river. It means these are the occupations also there. Some of the oldest and most densely populated cities in the world like Delhi, Agra, Allahabad, Varanasi and Patna are situated here which provide employment opportunities to the people living here. A good network of roads and railway has also been built in these areas. The floodplains are extensively used for rice, tea and jute farming. In Assam, the floodplains form thick marshes where mining of petroleum is done. These marshes are also famous for their one-horned rhinoceros. See, this is the picture of one-horned rhinoceros at Kaziranga National Park, Assam. It is very famous in the Assam. So have you understood? The Ganga Basin, which is very important or very famous in the world because of its fertility, it is very useful for farming, agriculture and perennial rivers, and because of this all reason, people are ready to settle down there. So this is very famous, the Ganga Basin. Now the next is the Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. Just like Ganga originates in Himalaya, Gangotri, like that the Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. It is known as Tsangpo there. What we call there? Tsangpo. It enters India in Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam. So where it enters in India? At Arunachal Pradesh and flows through from Assam. Gradually it flows southwards and enters Bangladesh. Before it empties into the Bay of Bengal, it joins the Ganga to form Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. This region receives heavy rainfall and fertile soil produced as a result of flooding is excellent for crops like rice and jute. Yes, children, we saw these all things with the Ganga Basin also. And the last is the Cetology Basin. The Cetolage originates in Tibet and enters India through the Shipki La Pass in Himachal Pradesh. Bias is the main tributary of Cetolage. In India, the Cetolage Basin mainly includes the states of Punjab and Haryana. The Bhakra Nangal Dam built on this river is used to provide electricity and water for irrigation. The main crop produced include wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane. The river is also harnessed at the Bhakra Nangal Dam to produce electricity. Amritsar, Jalandhar, Patiala and Ludhiana are some of the important towns situated along its course. So in this way, these are the main basins of India, that is the Ganga Basin, the Brahmaputra Basin and the Cetology Basin, which is useful for the living things. Okay, now in this way we have completed this lesson. The exercise will continue with the next period. Thank you.